Maximizing your personal finance, managing money in a $35,000 truck. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Maximizing $35,000 truck finances, smart spending strategies A. 2. Smarter money management for your $35,000 truck B. 3. Optimize your budget, making the most of a $35,000 truck C. Thumbnail concept. The thumbnail should feature a clean, high-resolution image of a new pickup truck, preferably Ford F-150 or similar popular model, with a vibrant background. Overlaid on the truck, use bold, contrasting text that clearly states the title option. The expression on the model's face should be friendly and approachable. Consider using a color palette that complements the truck's color. Hook script, first 30 seconds. On screen, a sleek new Ford F-150. Narrator, excited? Ever wondered how to make your $35,000 truck work harder for you? Well, today we're going to break it down and show you how to maximize your personal finance. B-roll suggestion, close-ups of the truck, with text overlay highlighting key points. Full video script. Timestamp 0:35. Narrator, first things first, budgeting. We'll show you how to create a personalized spending plan and stick to it. B-roll suggestion, close-ups of a planner or budgeting app on a smartphone, images of cash and bank statements. Timestamp 1:50. Narrator, next up, saving for the unexpected. We'll discuss emergency funds and why they're crucial in keeping your finances stable. B-roll suggestion, animation showing a graph of savings growth, images of rainy day fund, insurance policies. Timestamp 3:05. Narrator, investing is the key to long-term wealth. We'll explore simple investment options that can help you make your money work smarter. B-roll suggestion, animation showing the growth of various investment types, images of stock market and retirement accounts. Timestamp 4:30. Narrator, lastly, we'll cover debt management strategies. Find out how to reduce interest rates and pay off loans faster. B-roll suggestion, animation showing a debt snowball, images of credit cards and payment plans. Video description. Title, Maximizing $35,000 Truck Finances, Smart Spending Strategies. First 2 lines, learn how to make the most out of your $35,000 truck investment with these practical personal finance tips. Affiliate, budgeting app truck finance personal finance money management debt reduction investment tips. Timestamps 0:35 budgeting, 1:50 saving for the unexpected, 3:05 investing, 4:30 debt management. Affiliate, financial advisor service affiliate, emergency fund calculator affiliate, stock trading platform affiliate, credit card comparison tool. Financial freedom smart spending truck loans retirement planning personal finance education. Tags. Truck finance, personal finance, money management, debt reduction, investment tips, budgeting, savings goals, emergency fund, credit card, loans, retirement planning, stock market, financial freedom, personal finance education. Pinned comment. Pin this comment, party popper. Hey there. What's one area of your personal finance you're struggling with the most? Let me know in the comments below so I can help you out. Affiliate, financial advisor service. End screen script. Narrator, encouraging. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more great personal finance tips. And don't forget to check out the description for some awesome affiliate offers. B-roll suggestion, animation showing a bell and subscribe button.